Behind me right here is over 1,000 plot of land available for sale. You can see this is fence, someone's fence, that's house around there, and this is going for as little as 2 million naira a plot. This area is close to airport, Port Harcourt Airport. You can see that's the airport right there. So if you stick with me for some time now, you're gonna notice plane coming from this way. From this way, I'm landing in the airport right there. Now, many people do ask me, cryptocurrency or real estate investment, which is better, which is the best? So stick around with me. You and I are going to analyze which one is the best when it comes to investment, something that will give value for your money. So hey, this is not a real estate ad or anything. This is not a real estate. I'm not trying to sell you a real estate, neither am I trying to sell you cryptocurrency or anything, Bitcoin or something. We're just here to talk about the differences, why we need to invest in one and the other. Now, first of all, every single investment is risky, but the risks is in different levels. When it comes to crypto or real estate investment, the risks, the discrepancy between the risks is really high. While the differences in risk also comes great differences in profits or in volatility. Now, when it comes to cryptocurrency, you could get like about 10x, 20x, 100x your money today, the next day, a week, a month, a year, or even less. But with real estate, you're bound to get about 2x, 3x, or even 10x within 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. But now let's take a critical look at this thing, this whole scenario. Okay, I guess this side is too far. So this is where I'm able to place my camera so you guys can see me better. You can see the whole of me. To bring down this paper this way. Yeah, this paper might be in my video. So this is, now I'm going to give you about 5 facts. These 5 facts will help you make a good financial decision when it comes to investing in real estate or investing your money in crypto. Now, when you invest in real estate, your money is about, the risk involved is just let's say about 3%. Okay, from my own point of view, the risks involved in real estate is just about 3%. What's the 3%? The 3% comes from land grabbing or buying a land from someone who have already sold it to another person. This is just the minor risks. These are just the risks that I feel that is in real estate. Okay, and this is apart from the flooding or people selling a government site to individual that is not government approved something. These are just the risks involved in real estate. But if you can clear all these things, if you can checkmate buying a land that has not been sold to another person, or not getting involved with land grabber, that is, you buying a land that has no trouble in it, or buying a land that is not in a government allocated site, then you don't have any much problems when it comes to real estate. Whatever you buy, the value is going to the moon, and that takes time, and it depends on how fast the area develops. If you do your due diligence well and you invest in a good area, where development is pushing. In real estate, you really have to sit down and then analyze. Okay, look at it. Are people staying there? What are the chances of development flowing into that area before buying a property, before buying a land or something? So your money is quite safe. In cryptocurrency, let me tell you the risks that are involved. The risks that are involved in cryptocurrency. Now, we are just talking about one thing, just one point that we're talking about right here now, which is the risk. Okay, now in cryptocurrency, here are the risks that are involved. Now, first of all, you stand a chance of seeing your asset go all the way from 100% to 0%. You stand the risk of seeing your asset going from all the way to from 100%. Let's say you invest like $1,000 to about 0%. Zero. I've seen that has happened to me a couple of times. That's one. Two, you stand the risk of forgetting your seed phrase or losing your seed phrase. So let's say you're a careless person. You must not necessarily be careless or something. Yeah, that's a careless. That's a result of carelessness or something. Yeah, losing your seed phrase. You forgot where you stored it. You don't know where you stored it or something, and the asset is gone forever. Now, another risk that may come with it is you stock your asset on an exchange and the exchange got dissolved, like the case of FTX. Okay, that's one. That's another thing, another risk involving cryptocurrency. The third risk is, okay, this one is the fourth. The fourth risk is your wallet getting hacked. Your wallet getting hacked is always your fault or the custodian you operate with. Typically, the wallet cannot actually be hacked unless your device is infiltrated or the dApps you interacted with. So when a dApps you interacted with gets hacked, your wallet is automatically gonna be hacked. All right, then your device getting hacked or getting infected with malware. So if your device is infected with malware, you still stand a chance of losing your crypto. So these are just the fifth reason is the asset getting delisted. So these are all the risks involved in cryptocurrency. So you can compare the risks involved investing in cryptocurrency and the risks involved in investing in real estate. Now let's talk about how fast can your investment be profitable. In real estate, it takes like about a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or even 10 years for you to get 2 to 10x your money. Okay, or for you to get 2 to about 50x your money. Yes, that's how long it takes. In cryptocurrency, it takes just, I think I'll call it a cycle. It takes just one bull market, and everything will be changed, everything will be turned around for you. This is not, like I said, it's not investment advice, but this will help you make a good investment decision. Okay, some of those research they tell you about, this is it. So now in cryptocurrency, your investment could double within a year, within a month, within a did I say month? Within 24 hours after buying it, within a week, month, a year, 2 years, 1 year, 4 years. I'll give it a maximum of 4 years. Your investment should at least double or half, like this 2x to 10x or even 100x your investment, depending on the asset that you invested in. If you're able to make good research and you diversify the investment, or you did what they call a DCA, that's dollar cost averaging, then you should be having huge, faster turnover than real estate. Now that's the third thing that we've talked about, the differences. So now the minimum amount to invest in, the minimum amount Now let's talk about the minimum amount. Now, like I told you earlier on, you guys, minimum amount to invest in cryptocurrency, you can invest as low as $1, and you could still be millionaire depending on the asset you invested in. Now, someone invested, there's this coin that before this current bull run that started out really big, 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗘 coin. Someone invested $10. Someone bought 𝗕𝗜𝗡 $10, and the person didn't sell till 𝗕𝗜𝗡 got to $1 billion in market cap. Ladies and gentlemen, that single wallet or that single $10 investment is worth $4 million. Okay, as at the last time I checked, I think that was worth $4 million. Yeah, because the person held on. Okay, if you were the one, you probably could have sold at $10,000 or $100,000 or something, but for some reason that person didn't sell until it was worth $1 billion in market cap. So from $10 to how much? From $10 all the way to $4 million. Now that's how little you could invest in cryptocurrency, and then to turn everything around. But the cases of that happening is quite slim, right? The chances of that happening is quite slim. Meanwhile, in real estate, the minimum amount you can invest in real estate is dependent on the area. In some area could be 500,000 naira. Okay, let's talk about in naira. Let's say we are talking naira, 500,000 naira, which is like about $300 right now in most area. Now in some area it's about 1 million naira, which is 1 million naira right now is about $600 or something thereabout. $600, that's 1 million naira, right? No, that's more than $600. Okay, let me just take a $600 can buy a property. Like, okay, as at this same time, the time now, today is October the 11th day of October. As at this time last year, this single plot of land you're seeing here, that place that is fenced around, okay, that's mine. Okay, this plot of land you see right there, as at this time last year, that single plot of land was worth about 1 million naira per plot last year. Now there's about 3 plots right there. I got about the first one, I got it, I think a bit earlier than last year. I got it 500,000, and then the third plot I got it about 1.2 million or something same last year. Right now as I talk to you now, this same place, this area now is worth least 2 million, 2.5 million. Some persons are even selling their house at 5 million or something because the place is fast developing. So the fifth thing is that the cryptocurrency market is really volatile. The volatility of these different markets. The real estate market is really stable. It rises on a stable ground, like it's very stable, go all the way up. But the cryptocurrency market is like, you see how fast I'm running? Whether it's going up or it's coming down, it's always running, always very fast. In fact, most times technical analysis can't even work for some crypto, because apart from technical analysis, there's insider trading, there's news, there's so many things, there's hacking, okay, I don't want to use that word. There are so many things that affect the growth or decline of a cryptocurrency. So now you see, which one can you really pass on faster? See, the one that you can easily pass on really fast, that you can easily pass on, for me, is real estate. cryptocurrency, if anything happened to you today, if your loved one does not know where you drop your recovery phrase, or they don't know password, or they don't even know that you own a crypto, because right now you that is watching this video own a crypto and your loved one don't even know you own a crypto, just to be security conscious, which is not your fault at all. But if anything should happen to you right now, unless your loved ones have access to your diary, let's say if written it in a kind of diary or in a will, unless they have access to that, it's gone. Okay, or let's say they have access to it and they don't know, they have zero idea on how to import it or how to access it, it's still on. Now, but with real estate, once they enter your bedroom and they see your document, they go and look at the land, and that land is going for sale as soon as possible. Apart from the land going for sale, they are going to either develop it themselves, or at least they know that yes, they are whoever that you are to them, either their father, their sister, their mother have a property somewhere. So we are back here again. We've moved all the way down there and we're here again. So that's how your investment goes, ups and down, ups and down. So I hope you're enjoying my lecture anyways. If you are here for the first time, my name is 𝗦𝗚𝗫𝗓𝗏, and please feel free to subscribe. I talk about my lifestyle, general stuff, investment, cryptocurrency. Okay, I have a crypto channel, so if you need a dedicated crypto channel where I teach you about different crypto stores, how to do this, how to do the other one, how to import, how to make money in cryptocurrency, how to buy, how to sell, the link to that channel is in the description, so you could go join the channel and watch that. But here we're just all about lifestyle. We talk about random stuff. Yeah, we talk about random stuff to see which is much more preferable. Now, if you're acquiring a real estate in somewhere like the United States of America, of course you know that you're not going to be doing that with as little as $10,000. Yeah, except you're going to be financing it. You know that financing could take years. Could take years, depending on your capacity. It's some financing some real estate, or some. It takes some people take as much as 10 years to finish financing such a project. But you know, in crypto, if you have $10,000 balance, you could just put it on the right asset, and then over time, over 4 years, 5 years, you are having like about $1 million or even more. Now, this also depends if you are even following the right set of persons in the crypto industry. You buy what they buy, sell what they sell. You could still be making so much money. You don't need to be financially savvy, a pro in the analysis. You don't need to be that. Okay. So now, with all of these things that I've said, can you tell me which one do you really want to go for? Real estate or crypto? Yeah, you. Okay, crypto. Now that you want to go for crypto, please go follow my other channel, Crypto. It was nice discussing